Good afternoon, Rohit, and welcome to Square Yard Studio.
Thanks.
Thanks for taking out time and come here to see us. Really appreciate that. So first of all, many congratulations, on the almost completion of your first investment property. I really want to ask you that how was your experience with Square Yards?
Thanks, Gaurav. So the whole motive of coming to Square Yards initially was we were a young family. We wanted to build our own house, buy our own house. But when we came to Square Yards, we spoke to your beautiful and intelligent customer clients. The service people, and they gave us a very good advice about how investment property can turn around things. So we had a lot of questions. They were answered very nicely. We were given a nice insights of how an investment property can help to save taxes and things beyond taxes as well. And so that's the reason we decided to go for investment property instead of a landed house. So that's what we decided. Okay, let's go for investment property. And everyone was very helpful in answering our queries, and that's what we decided to go for investment property.
Excellent. I think that's very heartening to hear, Rohit. Not too many young families, choose to go as the rent investing path. You actually chose that. How's the outcome? Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Now that your property is about to be tenanted, by us. So how do you feel?
Definitely, it's exciting times ahead with getting our own property investment house. Getting a good steady rental income is definitely going to help us as a family to vision our goals, our financial goals as well. And look, with an investment property, there's always pros and cons as well. Definitely, there are chances that we might not get what we intend to get, but there are lots of in hindsight, there are a lot of benefits, like tax benefits you can get. You can show the negative gettings on a house, and try to get a good steady income out of it. So that's the main thing in a city like Sydney, where it's very costly. Things are very costly, and investment property like this definitely helps our financial needs.
And thanks, Rohit, for saying that. And I'm really happy and very happy for you that while you were doing the numbers, we had done the numbers PIA when you bought the property, and we were doing the numbers now PIA while your property is about to be tenanted and managed by us. And it's heartening to see that it's only costing you $4,000 a year to be able to afford this property.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like, I could have never imagined initially coming there I would have to just spend $4,000 a year, and I would have my own investment property, and I don't have to worry about it. So thanks to Square Yards for being such a good things with us. And with Square Yards, I never had any issues. Even when I wanted to finance things, Square Yards helped me in the right lenders as well to finance, because financing is always a bit challenging with so many people coming in giving advices, take this, take that. But Square Yards was really helpful in that regard. So thank you so much. And apart from that, one more thing was the ease at which the settlement was done. Everything, the whole process, right from signing my first contract, a mini contract where I was paying the token amount, till the end where I signed the actual contract with the developer. It was really a very pleasant experience overall. So thank you so much for your help and things.
Thanks a lot, Rohit, for that. And I'm very happy and very proud for you. That we've come so far, in the property journey, and we'll be there and we'll stand by you to help you build your property portfolio. Congratulations on the first one, and more to follow.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.